We're going to talk about now is delaying the publication or reusing a blog entry that you have previously written. So what we will do now is we are just going to look at our posts that we have written previously. I can go and search for old posts with the topic I want to use. So the open house schedule is going to be different than last year's. I'll search for that blog entry and go to edit it. Since the procedures and policies will probably be different, especially since the school district has set a different time, I'm going to leave it as this year's open house will be held on September 14th. I'm going to change the time to what the school district had put on the original paper that was sent to us recently, which said 6 to 7:30. And I'm just going to change the title to Join Us for our open house. And then people will go ahead and read it, find out the date and time. If you've noticed, I also had an image saved down here as a featured image, and we can always talk about that more if you want to learn how to do that part. But sometimes for your blogs, you can just leave it into the visual part, and you don't have to worry about setting a featured image. It depends on the theme you have chosen. Anyway, I digress. That was a little detour. I'm going to look at the thing that was published. It is published, but the thing is that when it was published, I'm okay with that, was that it was published on September 15th, 2015. What I want to do is I want to be able to change that and edit it to, let's go ahead and change it to September 1st, 2016. That means I'm delaying it, so it's not going to publish immediately after I press publish or OK. But then it gives me a little time if I wanted to edit or change it before the publication date. Also, this means that if you are going to need to do blog entries before each major break, you could go ahead and set them up and have them ready in advance. Or if you have something that you're going to be studying, units or additional information that you want to post, and you know the time frame in which you're going to do it, this might be very helpful because you can get ahead of the game. I'll click OK. And then I'll say schedule, and that means that it's going to publish at the time that I agreed to do it via the blog information underneath publish. And that is all you need to do.